wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, Dan Mafia gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music club, guys. This is what we are dealing with today. It's been a minute, been a little while. You see me till we reacted to the La Bass. You see me, I say one of the most the artist beat out Carter for the most streams for 2022. I was in 2023. One of them, I believe it was 2022. You know what I'm saying? You see me, I talk about none of that. Yeah, man, the La Bass, man. Yeah, man, I talk about Chronic Law. Today we got Gun Palm Belly. I believe the last time we reacted to Chronic Law song was the feature with Popcorn, which is St. Thomas native. And then before that, we did a song with Deep Jahi called Strongest Soldier. You see me, a long time I listened to a solo Chronic Law La Bass tune. You see me, I say so. Yeah, man, we're back with Chronic Law today, and the one named Gun Palm Belly. He dropped the one like what, a couple of hours ago, or was it yesterday? I can't remember. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna check it out and see what La Bass are deal. We don't know La Bass a bad artist, no doubt. Full of lyrics, full of melody, all them things, you know. And he's a great storyteller as well. You see me, a lot of people say you sang them too depressing and them thing there, but yeah, man, sang them good. You know what I'm saying? Great quality song. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna check it out and see what La Bass are deal with today. You see me? So yeah, man, guys, if you're new to the channel, go hit the like and subscribe button, guys. I don't know, hit the like button. It'll help the channel out, help the channel grow. You see me? That's the most important part. When you watch the videos, hit the like button, guys. It's not for the artist, it's for me. It's for my channel. Help me get my videos out there. Just do the right thing, no man. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like button. Do the right thing. Likes are free. Not charge you nothing. You know, cost you nothing. You see me? I say, if your heart clean, and you love your mother, and them thing there, hit the like button, no man. Do the right thing, my G. You see me? I say. So you like me? I say, man, we're there back with the little La Bass, the one named Gun Palm Belly. We don't know what revives much longer. Let's get it.
Got like your brother, no? Yo, Washi. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, me. Trinidad gold, England sweet. Half-white shoes, the shirt a ball made. Crown well thin, fully dark like shades. Three-wheel bike, some sharp than the brick.
Yeah, I mean, man said Trinidad gold, England sweet. You don't know. You know what I mean? Say class can't fake, you know.
Exposed on custom skeleton cartier. Cuban link of elephant dress weight. Shrooms make me rock. Grandma cheer me saying it's if it is, she saying it's if it brave, yo. She drunk already. Say she wanna dance, me say baby me we rock few time with my gun palm belly. You know for me style with the rifle already.
Easy now man, yeah man, this a vibe. The one that look a little bit more upbeat with Chronic Law. You know, see me the one that has depressing. You see me?
A bad man settings. See the dan they try no make camera catch him. I rock few time with the gun palm belly. I rock few time with the gun palm belly. Clean game, dirty matic. Uptown females love the badness. Claims to me.
Easy now mama, they like the one they will like the view man. I come out of the pole man. Easy man, heavy man. We see.
I go pop when she hold the lolly. That make me did a feel laugh. She don't know me solid. Prada with the savage. I who that a pass smell like spoiled cabbage. She want bubble pop.
Prada with the savage. Often I get the one day no man. Don't wanna fly over your head. You see me?
Chronic say yeah I'm gonna cheat, but she a more jealous. She drunk already. Say she wanna dance, me say baby me we rock few time with my gun palm belly. You know for me style with the rifle already.
Man said she drunk already. She said make we dance, me say baby me we rock few time with my gun palm belly.
A bad man settings. See the dan they try no make camera catch him. I rock few time with the gun palm belly. I rock few time with the gun palm belly. Yeah, me. Rich badness are where you hear about you.
Rich badness where you hear about you know mama. Yeah man, love to see the nice man, the man thing you know out you know man. Mama looking nice now, look a bikini and sitting go on no. And see if
them no shape like square mouth boot. Book a villa naked girl in night port. In nightclub we carry tool 420.
I'm saying girl them no shape like square mouth boot. That's serious, so about some girl now shape body.
The bro. See some man a screw through. When we a pass, girl I whisper that. Your good girl better than strippers at taboo. And you no fool.
I mean when girl we a pass, girl have to say oh whisper oh that. You see me girl a better than stripper them at taboo. That this is a vibe man. That a mix the bad man and girl this thing. You know what I'm saying?
She drunk already. Say
up
she
and
want
eat that
dance, me
place.
say baby me we rock few time with my gun pan belly.
Woman can't go on some woman. Tear man, eat yourself. Man, I YouTube this.
You know for me style with the rifle already. A bad man settings. See the dan they try no make camera catch him. I rock few time with the gun pan belly. You know for we style with the rifle already.
Easy no man. La boss. Chronic law. You know what I'm saying? One la boss. You don't know the one a gun palm belly. Yeah man. That mad guys. I don't think about that one day. You see me? Yeah man, the one little bit upbeat for Chronic law. You see me? Not as some people that say sad or depressing. As normal true man. We like that man. You see me? I say so we not want more party, more upbeat, more, you know? Have fun tune from Chronic law. You see me? I say so. Yeah man, there was a dope track. That one to get added to the can get added to your blood teeth. Power and playlist, you know, your girl's playlist, you know. Yeah, so man on the fit in either carry the category. You see me I say? So let me know anything about the one in the comment section, guys. You see me I say Chronic did this thing. It was a vibe. The girl them look good and the music and the whole thing was a vibe, man. I like the one there. You see me I say the one the tune I go on, man. You see me I say? So let me know anything about the comment section. Drop a comments what was your favorite part, beat melody lyrics. You already know what time it is. You like it, show the artist some love and support. You see me, I don't know where I keep watching Chronic Law. You see me, I got more Chronic Law reactions coming. Yeah, we've been slacking lately. You know, it's been a minute. But we're glad to have the Law Boss back on the channel. You see me, so we're going to keep dropping more reactions. So stay tuned and look out for that. You see me, I'm going to keep the reaction keep the reaction coming, bro, and keep growing and pushing, and we're not stopping. You see me, until we reach 100k and a million. So, you know what I'm saying? So just do the right thing. Hit the like and subscribe and become part of the family. Latest reaction. Look out for the lives them. Yo, you don't know. We're coming to take over. We're not stop. So till next time, guys. You don't know about Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Wow.